Dilly dilly, everybody. This is CVS. That's a weekly chart. Here's the daily chart, which is garbage. So I'm going to go back to the weekly chart. Now, one could maybe possibly call this a selling climax. You've got a lot of volume on this particular week. And then what I'm doing right now is marking the close of that bar. One thing I like to do personally is mark, and I always use this light blue dotted. I like to mark it the close of a bar, no matter what the time frame is. The closing price of that bar that has a lot of volume. Okay, we're going to mark that level as the automatic reaction from the low. Now, this level that I marked, it just happens to work out. It's why I do it, but understand it doesn't always work. But it's acting as support. Until we get to chunk. And with more volume than the past year, or than before, or whatever I'm trying to say, you get a move down. It tests this prior low. It actually breaks it. We mess around for a week, and then we start to break lower only to close higher. I would say that's a negative tick mark for the bears. And then this level that was support is now acting as resistance. Can't close above it. Pushed above, and we closed here at 75.12. The level's at 75.09. Same thing, pushed above it, couldn't close. So I think the question is this activity right here, is that a sign of weakness, or is this a spring? And so I'm going to be putting this on the watch list because I don't know what it is. And I want to learn from it at a minimum. But if it comes back and tests this level on light volume to turn around, I'll probably get longer, initiate a long. If it just continues to fade down and breaks, I think it would be safe to call this a sign of weakness. We could come up with a measured move. But I think that's the magic question, is what does this represent? Again, the date, that's 4 hour. The daily is really hard to digest in terms of what it is, because it's pretty wild. Pretty wild. You know, you could, if it gets back up to here, initiate a short with a tight stop above it, playing for distribution, or same thing, you could wait till it gets to this level or that level. I don't know. That's all.